Want some Niku-Jaga? Yeah? You gotta wait. You gotta wait, bro. You gotta wait. So awesome. Right, so here's what we're gonna be using today. We've got the meat, the potatoes, the onions, this thing that we bought, the kind of the glass noodle kind of thing, plus soy sauce, this stuff that we got frozen ingen, and then the sugar, and then the mirin, and then the Japanese sake, and all of this stuff together should make Niku-Jaga. And we also have this, I'm not sure what it means, but this is hondashi. Mayu had this from before. Okay, so Mayu is peeling the carrots. She's washing the potatoes. These potatoes are special potatoes that you can eat with the peel. So we just wash the potatoes and we're gonna leave the peels on it and cut it up into little pieces and just put them in here, soak them in water so the potatoes don't turn brown. Next, Mayu is cutting the onions. As you can see, she's a professional chef. Next is the carrot. So add some olive oil. Then she adds the vegetables to the meat. I'm going to be making a salad, so I took this salad, I put it in here. I'm going to add some beans, some macaroni salad and potato salad that we had left over, and then the sesame dressing. We're not going to use the Caesar that we bought. We have left over. Next, add the potatoes. This is my contribution to today's dinner. I made a salad. What is this? Mirin? Sake?
Sake.
Okay.
買わなくてよかった。
This is the sake. We actually had some left over, so we didn't actually need to buy the new one, but that's okay. I don't know what mirin is in English, so it's some kind of Japanese liquid. Soya sauce. Thing we bought.
大さじ4だって言うけど、
Okay.
多いから半分ぐらいでいいか。
Okay.
これぐらいでいい？
Okay. Alright. And then the hondashi. Everything else, all the side stuff. And then you add water. Okay. 2 of those. 2 milliliters, I guess. And then I guess you stir and just let it simmer for a while. And that's it. Now the last thing we're gonna do is that weird potato noodle thing. Okay. It's filled with water, so you have to drain the water from it. Looks like those glass noodles. Hard to see.
アク抜きいらずって書いてる。あとはお湯でかける。
Smells weird. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells weird. I'm gonna have to actually cut them into smaller pieces. Okay. Mix it in. And now you just let it simmer. How long? 20 minutes? You let it simmer for 20 minutes. Yay. なんで？
これわかんないけど、落とし蓋っていう。
Okay.
それは有名な話。
Okay. I don't know why, but she put wax paper on top. Just cut them into little small pieces while they're frozen. Okay, she removed the wax paper, and as you can see, the potatoes and things have softened up, and the powder she added should make the liquid a little bit more jelly, a little bit more like thicker. So we're just waiting for that to happen. Maple, what do you want? Do you want some Niku-Jaga? Do you want some Niku-Jaga? Yeah? You gotta wait. You gotta wait, bro. You gotta wait. Whatever that was. String beans, maybe? I don't know. Mix that in as well. And while that's happening, my next step after salad is making these frozen Calbee mayonnaise little meatball things. There's a pack of 6. Wow, that goes crazy. There's a pack of 6, but we'll make 4. So all you have to do is just place this in the microwave, and it looks pretty good, and it should taste pretty good too. Alright. Okay. Alright. They're like little meatballs with mayonnaise on top. Just a little mini side dish to have. Okay, and it looks like it's done. Try it out. Very nice. Very nice. And Mayu's got her bowl of rice, which she's gonna have with her natto. And here's Maple circling our food. Jealous that Mayu's gonna have natto rice and some Niku-Jaga with the salad that I made. And whoa! Microwave meatball things. And we're gonna enjoy our dinner here. Yay! And Mayu's gonna make natto. Gross. She's adding soy sauce and karashi. Come, here. Touch. Maple's trying to steal our food. Maple, here. Come. Here. Do you want a treat? Here. Touch. Come. Good boy. Touch. Hand. Good boy. Okay. I've trapped the Maple. No. You're stuck here. No. And then she's gonna place it on top of the rice. And eat that. Sit! Maple, sit! Good boy. Here's your food. Okay, there you go. Okay, I've got my alcohol-free beer. Mayu's got her cherry-flavored alcohol. And we're gonna cheers. Cheers! How's my salad? Good. Alright, I'm gonna try Mayu's famous Niku-Jaga. I'll start with the jaga, I guess. Well, the jaga is the potato, so the Niku. Excellent. The potato is nice and soft. The soup stuff is really good and tasty. The meat is perfectly nice and tender and soft. And I've never tried this before, so I'm going to try this Calbee mayonnaise meatball thing. This is actually really good. It's like all inside too. It's good, and it's like covered in like a nice sweet and sour kind of sauce. I like. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching. We're going to continue our dinner. And we're going to watch some TV, and Maple's going to get some treats, as you can see here. Ready? You missed. Okay. Thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because my videos are awesome. OzzyAwesome. Take care, and see you next time. Peace. Living in Japan. Living in Japan.
I'm guaranteed on this show I will not make a face. I'm not gonna make a face though.